You're gonna love the 2018 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Get the best of quality, comfort, and convenience in this family-friendly Sonata. This stylish midsize four-door sedan offers the advanced safety features, smooth performance, and passenger amenities you need to make every drive pure pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated front seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.